Hello, this is another video, and in this video I'll show you this awesome and budget-friendly robot vacuum from Yeedi. This is Yeedi Vac Max. I own this robot vacuum for quite some time now, so I know nearly anything about this. I tried all the features and stuff it can. I can clearly tell you I really like this robot. I can recommend it because it's budget-friendly, it's a 2-in-1. Like any other robot vacuum today. It has electronic water regulation. It has a also pretty big water tank too. It comes with a mopping attachment, the mopping module. Just attach the mopping cloth on it like that. Awesome. You get spare mops, more mop. This one's better. And of course the manuals. And with the robot you get a high efficiency pyroclate air filter. And you also get this little cleaning brush, which is very useful. I like this razor blade, it really helps you when cleaning the main brush. This is a V-Slim robot vacuum. It's equipped with camera, so it scans your room and makes a smart map. It comes with all the features that even the more premium robot vacuums have, like the no-go zones, zone cleaning or something like this, and many more. I'll show you later. It also comes with a charging station, which has cable wrap on the back of the robot and of course the cable. The robot is pretty quiet, I must say. And also it cleans really good on hard floors and even on carpets, and not just these low pile, even on higher pile carpets. And also I want to mention, this robot really reminds me of EcoVac's robot vacuums, because if you take a look at the underside, it just looks just like an EcoVac's robot, really. Yeah. By the way, here is a carpet sensor, so this robot can detect carpets, and when the map is installed it will not go on them, if I'm right, if it works just like this. Also, here are two little windows, well, not really windows, but these little doors, which open up if the robot goes on the Yeedi cleaning station. You can buy the cleaning station separately for this robot, and you can make a self-emptying robot out of this more basic one. But still, it has this brush which also avoids tangles pretty nicely. It's not that bad. It's all, of course there are some tangles on it always, but it's not that bad. Then it comes with one side brush and also two very nice wheels, which can go over even a 2 cm big doorstep, which is very useful to me because I have got one very big doorstep and it goes over it just like nothing was there, and I was really surprised. Also, this robot is pretty slim. I think it's slimmer than most robots today, and well, this was just it. So let's move on to some tests. Yeah, I also want to tell you the bin before I'll do something. Here's the bin. It's actually pretty big. It comes with an HEPA filter. Here are the doors, you can see it, and well, that's it. It has a pretty strong suction motor. Everything is pretty quiet, and well, before we'll do something with this, I'll also show you the app.
Alright, so this is the very nice Yeedi app. You can find here all kinds of settings and stuff. For example, here is the zone and room cleaning. Here are also the no-go zones as well. It also has awesome feature where you can set no-go zones for carpets when mopping only, not only for vacuuming. You also have your cleaning history, suction settings, also you have your scheduling for all days, and including which rooms to clean, and as you can see, and you also have some more settings like language, AutoBoost or do not disturb mode. You can also see how worn are some of the parts of the robot, so you can clean them or change them.
Okay, so this was the app, and I also prepared a little test for you to see if the Yeedi will suck up your wallet. can clearly see it didn't suck up all the coins. So this is a budget-friendly robot vacuum and it doesn't suck up your wallet. Yeah, so that's great. Okay, I'll show you how noisy this robot is, and I'll show you the basic movement. There we go. Yeah, a little bit of delay. This is the medium suction power, but well, it is probably the best setting for all-around cleaning around the house every day. And you can clearly hear me talking, so it's not very noisy. It's actually pretty quiet. Back and forth, nice and even. The navigation is very good, I must say. I'll do a quick test of ducking right now. So to duck, you'll just hold this button.
Returning to charge.
Now let's see how long it will take for it to get to its docking station. And it clearly knows where it has to go, as you can see. Struggling a little bit. But yeah, I think this robot docks like nothing. Nice and slow.
Starting charging.
Okay, and it's charging, so I think this is smart enough to clean your entire house. Okay, now let's get to some real test. I've got here some oak flakes. I do a little mess, like I always like to do. So far so good. Hope it's not too much for Yeedi. Hold. Okay, so this is how it looks before, and we'll see how Yeedi will do.
Starting cleaning.
Alright, Yeedi finished. You can see all of it is now in the bin. But there is still some debris left. But considering how much that stuff was in here before, this is actually a pretty good result, I must say. And I'm quite sure it will get most of it by the second run. And I also forgot to put in the max mode. I left it on the standard, or how it's called. The max mode is recommended for carpets, so I'll leave it now. Let's give it another chance. Okay, Yeedi finished its second cleaning cycle, and as you can see, as I knew, there's not a single piece on the car. Oh, there's one I can find, but in real, this is everything. It didn't got this one little piece. Well, let's check out the dustbin. That's filled up, as I knew. Could be. Nothing spilled out. Perfect. How much did? Oh no! I didn't plan to do that. I promise. Whatever. Okay, as you can see, they did a very good job of cleaning. Yeah. Pretty big bin though. I like that. And well, yeah, the floor coverage is very good. I like the navigation, and even the cleaning system is very good. I've got no problem, and I can really recommend this robot vacuum. But before I finish this video, I want to do one more thing with this guy. And we did some practical tests, yeah, like the pickup tests, and also we have seen the floor coverage. But how about the extreme tests? Some of my viewers may know what I'm talking about. One bag of rice. Let's see what's going to happen.
Starting cleaning.
Oh my god! Oh my god! No way!
Please charge Roomba.